Even though we are locked in the house, I wanted to try to put together something for an Easter tablescape. So I went down into the basement and I drug out everything that I could find that kind of looked like spring or Easter. And I tried to put together a tablescape. I think it came out kind of cute. I really would have liked to go to the store and pick out some new things, but, I'm not able to during these times. So I wanted to put something together that was springy, that was bright, and that was festive to lift our spirits. So we are going to do an Easter tablescape for 2020. So we're currently locked down in the house and we're under stay-at-home orders. So I wanted to put something together for Easter, and it had to come out of what I already had in the house. So I grabbed 2 chargers. This one I got at Pier 1 years ago. The second is a plain silver plastic charger. I just wanted to create a little bit more color. This is a brand new pattern from Lennox called Profile. It is absolutely stunning. And I have some simple flatware and a blue napkin. I actually got these napkin rings years ago. I only had 4, so I paired them with 2 that were similar. I got this table runner years and years ago from Martha by Mail. I have some simple Fortessa glasses that I paid $1 a piece for. And I have a little Fortessa bowl here for some fruit. And here's our other table place setting. So I just sort of brought together some things haphazardly for my centerpiece. I got a bunch of candles. I love these flickering candles. I got them from Amazon. These candles are actually, I bought for Christmas. These are, the candle holders are for Christmas. Those candlesticks both came from the Christmas tree shop. This little pink flower I got from the Christmas tree shop a couple of years ago. And I love these candles. They flicker like real candles. So I made the centerpiece out of this basket that I had made out of ceramic. I think this is I can't remember what brand it is, but I was trying to find more pieces that go to it. And I put it on top of a cake stand. And this cake stand is a Wedgwood, simply white is the pattern. And I just put my little basket here with a couple little chicks in here and some Easter grass. And I just placed it on top of that cake stand. So I put 2 additional candles here. I was just trying to fill up the space. Plus I like to have a lot of extra candlelight. Put a lot of Easter, plastic Easter eggs all over. You don't really need a lot of decorations. Just some simple plastic Easter eggs, some candles, and some flowers. This picture I have had for years. I don't even know where I got it. It's probably Home Goods. I hope you have a fantastic Easter. I really hope that you are staying safe in your home and you're able to social distance and still enjoy the holiday. I know this is a difficult time for all of us, and we're going to get through this. So set yourself a pretty table out of things that you have around your house and celebrate the holiday. Thank you for joining me, and take a look at my website, amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Facebook, come over and join my group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, you can catch me at Cookin' with Amy.